The Arthrex Knotless SutureTak is a 3 mm suture anchor that can be inserted through a spear and allows the user the ability to control and tension the repair under direct visualization. The spear is inserted and placed on the glenoid rim to drill the bone socket. Leaving the spear in place, the Knotless SutureTak is inserted through the spear and impacted into the bone. The suture release tab is removed from the inserter handle. Then the inserter and guide are removed, leaving 2 strands of the 2-0 FiberLink shuttling suture and fiberwire repair suture. The fiberwire suture is retrieved out of the anterior superior portal with a suture retriever. The suture is passed through the labrum using a quick pass suture lasso. The wire is retrieved and the suture is inserted into the loop. The wire and suture are retracted back to the lasso tip and then shuttled through the tissue. The suture splice locking mechanism is created by inserting the repair suture into the loop of the FiberLink shuttling suture. The other end of the FiberLink shuttling suture is pulled, shuttling the repair suture back into the anchor, completing the splice. The repair suture can be controlled and tensioned under direct visualization until the desired tension is achieved. The mini suture cutter has a small tip design that fits into the anchor hole and cuts the suture flush, leaving a secure, low-profile knotless repair.